Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be unboxing the Celestron 20x80 binoculars. So if you're interested in this particular pair of binoculars, maybe for yourself or maybe if you want to get them as a gift for somebody, then I do suggest that you keep watching. I'd also recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you want to see me actually release my review of these binoculars. I'm obviously going to be getting these out, testing them in the field, and also sharing my thoughts and opinions of them and sharing what I've been able to see. So if you like the sound of that, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these binoculars as well, also drop them in the comment section down below. Here are the Celestron SkyMaster 20x80 binoculars, and I'm going to be unboxing them here today and just showing you exactly what they look like and everything that you get included. Now, do bear in mind, as you can see, I have opened up the outer packaging and box that they arrive in. It is Celestron branded, but just for ease of recording, I did do that ahead of time, and I've also kind of taken off this sticker here. But you'll see, and there is some kind of outer packaging here, you'll see they are very, very well packaged. And there's a lot of kind of Celestron branding here, so that's really, really nice. So if I just kind of take off this outer packaging, and then let's get into the box. So first and foremost, just first impressions, you can see that these are slightly bigger than your typical handheld binoculars, and that is going to have an impact in terms of how you use them. And as we're going to get on to shortly, a tripod is probably recommended for these binoculars. You don't have to use a tripod, but it does come recommended, especially if you're having kind of extended viewing and observation sessions. So let's open this up and let's just kind of pull this out. So as we can see, really, really well packaged. I really like that about Celestron. They're very careful in how they package their optics. And it's just very, very good. You know you're going to get them in really, really good condition. And as you can see here, there's a load of inner packaging as well. So here it looks like we've got some kind of cloth to clean the optics, always useful, and it's always good to have a brand new one. This looks like some kind of neck strap or a strap for the, I'm assuming that's for the carrying case, but we can confirm that shortly. And then we can see the binoculars here. So they are quite big. So if I just hold them up, they are quite big, and in terms of weight, yeah, they are quite heavy. So they're not, so just in kind of first impressions, they don't feel really, I was actually expecting them to be heavier, but just thinking, if you're pointing these to the sky as an example, if you're using these for kind of astronomy purposes and stargazing, I can see these are going to get heavy over a period of time, unless you're resting your hands or arms, you know, on another kind of platform, whether that be a table or a fence or something like that, or of course you're using a tripod. In the bottom of this, it looks like we have, I'll put that down carefully, we have the carrying case. So again, Celestron branded. It's got a nice padding to it, and it also kind of, oh, that's quite nice. I like the way, because they're bigger binoculars, this kind of opens up as well. So it folds in and then opens up just to give you the additional space inside. And yeah, it looks like, oh, there's a carrying case here, or a strap for the case. So I assume what I found earlier isn't actually for this particular carrying or storage case. So let's put that to one side. Let's open up the binoculars themselves. So let's have a look at the quality of them. So first and foremost, first impressions, you can see that it has, this is the, I believe, the ability to add the binoculars to a tripod. It's almost a tripod adapter, and that's different from some of the other Celestron binoculars on the market. They don't all come with this, so that's just something to bear in mind. They look absolutely fantastic. I love the kind of finish to them. They look really, really good. You've got the, so what you might have just seen fall off there, this is the kind of eyepiece protector, and it is loose, so bear that in mind, but it does just protect those as well. So it's always nice to have that. So you obviously got to look after that and just be careful you don't lose that. If we look at the binoculars themselves, we can see here it says they're multi-coated, 20x80. It's got back 4 prisms as well. So, and there is also some kind of other protection up the top for the objective lenses. So if I just take those off, there's 2 of them and they fit on really snugly and nice, and that just clipped on really easy there. They're really, really nice. I like that already. And you've got a bit of Celestron branding on the end of that tripod adapting mount, I believe. So yeah, so in first impressions, they look absolutely brilliant. You can kind of hold them from these the optical lenses. But yeah, I really like the look of these so far. I'm really looking forward to using them. In terms of size, let's just hold these out in front of me. There you go. As I say, relatively heavy. I'm going to probably be using a tripod, but at the same time, I don't think everyone's going to need a tripod, or at least depending on how you use them. If you're using these for short periods, you may get away with it. But yeah, just bear that in mind, especially if you're, if you're buying this as a gift though, for somebody who's slightly older or a kid, then maybe you're going to want a tripod as standard. But yeah, that's their general size. That's what they look like. Really nice finish to them. And yeah, I can't wait to use them. I'm just going to hold them up to my eyes. Obviously you can't see anything, but yeah, they feel really, really comfortable. And these, you've got these kind of, the ability to change the eye relief there as well. So just bear that in mind. They come with a little rubber coating around the outside. But yeah, overall, really, really impressed. They are the Celestron 20x80 SkyMaster binoculars.